Hello, welcome back everyone to my channel Mikis Auto Tools, Online Marketing Solutions. In the previous video, I guided you step by step on how to set up the auto messaging features on our MGT Insta software. And in today's video, I'll continue by showing you how to set up automatic posting on Instagram. Before we get into the main content of today's video, let's start with a short intro. Alright, just like Facebook, on Instagram we also post a lot of content. And when you post manually by copying and pasting repeatedly, you may face many issues such as account restrictions or even account suspension. This software helps you post a large number of posts per day completely automatically. You can simply set it up once, let the system run by itself, and it will automatically post for you. During that time, you can focus on other tasks, which helps you save and optimize a lot of time. Previously, I already guided you on how to prepare content. After your content is ready, here you can choose to post automatically to Instagram or post Reels. You can also manage and track your posting history right here. For Instagram posting, the system will automatically post to your Instagram personal profile. For the posting interval, I recommend setting it between 60 to 120 seconds. The number of posts can be set around 10 to 20 posts, depending on your content. You can choose to post based on pre-prepared content, or you can pull content directly from Instagram. When pulling content from Instagram, the system will take posts from other accounts and repost them to your account. You can choose options such as avoid duplicate posts, collect posts starting from the latest ones, only collect posts that contain specific keywords. You just need to enter the keywords, and the system will automatically search for posts containing those keywords, then repost them for you. This method is faster if you want to reuse other people's content. However, in most cases, preparing your own original content is always better, so I usually recommend using prepared content. You can select random posting, set how many posts each account will publish, and adjust the image or video size. For aspect ratios, you can choose original ratio 1:1, 9:16, 16:9. All options are available here. Next is tagging accounts in the post. You can enter Instagram usernames here to tag them in your posts. This is very useful if you have multiple accounts or supporting accounts. When you post content, you can tag your main account, which helps increase trust and visibility for your main profile. You can also set how many accounts are tagged per post. Finally, you can add a location to your post as well. Normally, when you post on Instagram, you are allowed to choose a location, right? Here, you can simply enter the location, and the system will automatically add it to your post. The reason why choosing a location is important is that Instagram will recommend your post to users who are in the same location. So the location feature is actually very important. You just need to select the appropriate location before posting. Next, you can choose to share the post to Twitter X. This means when you post on Instagram, the content can be automatically shared to your Twitter account as well. After that, we have the post-publishing interactions. Once the post is published, the system can automatically like the post, automatically leave a comment under the post. The comment can contain your prepared content, such as your account name, your phone number, your contact information. When you are promoting a product, it's very important to leave contact details so people know how to reach you. All of these settings can be fully configured right here. In addition, the software also supports automatic reel posting. For Reels, I recommend setting the posting interval between 60 to 120 seconds as well. Tomorrow, I'll run the software live so you can see how it works in real time. Here, you can set it to run 20 times, and the content settings remain the same. Use prepared content. Enable random posting. In this section, you can set how many videos each account will post. For safety, I recommend only 1 to 2 videos per account per day, and not posting too many. You can also adjust the video size and aspect ratio. The system will automatically resize the video for you. For example, if your original video is horizontal, and you select 1:1, the software will automatically convert it into a square video. Next is tagging accounts in the reel. This works the same way as post tagging. You can tag other accounts to increase reach and views. You can also add a location to the reel just like with normal posts. Additionally, you can choose to share the reel to Facebook. This is a native feature of Instagram, so the system will automatically share it to Facebook for you. Normal posts can be shared to Facebook, and video posts can also be shared as well. This is how Instagram's platform works. After publishing, you can enable post-publishing interactions for Reels too. Automatically like the post. Automatically comment under the post with your contact information. Once everything is posted, you can easily manage and review your posting history here. This software helps you bulk post content across multiple accounts and run product promotions at scale. Instead of logging into each account one by one to post manually every day, everything is automated. You already have so many things to do: replying to customers, chatting with clients, meeting customers. There's no way you have time to sit there and post all day, right? This software allows you to automatically post and schedule content for the entire week. You can set up the posting schedule in advance, and once your computer is turned on, the system will automatically publish posts at the scheduled time. This helps you optimize your time significantly. That's the end of today's video. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my upcoming videos.